morning from Penang. Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I am Meghna and this is the very first video of our Penang series. So we traveled from KL Central to Penang Central, Butterworth, Penang via bus, and we reached Penang Central very early in the morning. That's why you can see it's all empty and it's all dark. We reached around 5 a.m. and the gates to the ferry open at 6 a.m. So we just sat there, ate our breakfast. You can also come here via train and via flight, but we chose bus because हमने बहुत last minute book किया था. This is a ferry waiting area. Ferry costs only 2 RM per person. Ferry is from Penang Central to Georgetown, and it takes only 20 minutes for the ferry. Sunrise, I'll show you. Wait. So we reached the other side in just 10 to 15 minutes and saw this beautiful sunrise. हम बाहर निकले भी नहीं थे वो एरिया के और इतना सुंदर सनराइज हमको देखने मिला. So we were very happy. This is a bigger ferry, but we were given the smaller one since it was our first. Come here very early, super early. I think it's not even 7 right now. So we got the first ferry.
We can directly go to Penang inside, I think, to see the sunrise.
Yeah, we can go actually, but now sunrise has already happened. Let's see what we'll do, not sure yet. After coming out of the ferry terminal, we just walked a bit and found out the bus terminal. वहाँ से हमने bus ली to our hotel. We could have taken a grab, but since bus was very convenient और सामने ही हमको easily मिल गई, so we chose bus and it was very cheap. I think it costed us around 4 or 5 RM या फिर 6 RM max. On the streets of Penang. After the bus ride and a little walk, we reached our hotel. ये hotel के आगे का area है, which was really beautiful. The sunrise was still gorgeous and we couldn't take our eyes off the beautiful sky. So yeah, then we reached our hotel. It was very early in the morning. Our hotel was called the Armenian Street Heritage Hotel. This is the lobby. But our check-in was at 3 p.m. so we just freshened up a bit and left for exploring the streets. Good morning from Penang. So right after we enter the hotel lane, there's a Indian restaurant where we can have our breakfast and all, vegetarian, and there's also a garden beside it, so very beautiful. I think this garden is my favorite part of the trip also because we spent some beautiful times here in the evenings. बहुत ही ज़्यादा शांत and secluded garden था, ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे, so it was beautiful. थोड़ा आगे चलते ही we found the popular Armenian street with wall murals. You can see पहले ही I found this one and we clicked a lot of pictures here. This is a very cute store somewhere in Penang. Modern used clothes. Everything here is extremely cute actually. Everywhere you see, it's old but it's very cute.
बायको बोलते की जर ह्या कॅटच्या फोटोच्या इथे तुम्हाला कॅट दिसली तर खूप तुम्ही नशीबवान आहात. हो का?
माहित नाही.
पण ती काळी आहे.
मग काय होतं?
आणि ही तांबडी आहे.
So we were just exploring the streets of Penang. This is a popular Armenian street lanes. There's multiple lanes where you can find cute cafes, murals on the walls, eateries, shops. So every lane here is very beautiful, and they have plants and trees planted all over the place, which makes it even more pretty. So in Armenian street or Georgetown, I did not find a lot of people or tourists also. So the streets were pretty empty and not many people were there.
किधर यहाँ पे वेजिटेरियन मिला है.
And it's a Michelin star also, right?
Spring roll, yes.
Okay, we'll come here.
Every Friday it's also there.
Okay. The famous rickshaws. people use this to, you know, see the whole Armenian street. It's a 1 hour tour, but we have decided to walk. कुछ 80 रुपीज, सॉरी 80 RM, 70-80 में हो जाता है पूरा. Oh God, this is a beautiful temple, beautiful Chinese temple.
आमच्याकडे काय झिरो आहे का मग?
All this is right beside the hotel, so it's great. Oh my God, another beautiful lane. बहुत सुंदर है ये. It's very beautiful. Where you go, there's a pretty.
अम्ब्रेला ॲली म्हणून आहे.
हाँ, umbrella
Georgetown.
alley. Umbrella.
अगं तिकडे
Where we go, there's a cute thing. I'll show you it. Can you see the beautiful tree? Yeah.
it's cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom. No, it's not, but it's pretty.
cheap cherry blossom of Japan in Penang. Oh,
Another cute store. Oh my God. And this is the famous Umbrella Alley or Umbrella Lane, where people just come here to click pictures and see the beautiful views. As you can see, there are colorful umbrellas everywhere. So बहुत ही सुंदर था. और luckily हम सुबह सुबह आए थे तो ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे. हम शाम को भी आए थे, but गर्दी ज़्यादा हो जाती है शाम को.
जब तुम्हारे पास 2 चश्मे होते हैं तो कितना स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. पहले एक चश्मे पे फोटो, फिर दूसरे चश्मे पे फोटो. इसके लिए बचपन में बहुत सारे गाजर खाना जरूरी है.
लेकिन अगर आप इंडिया से हो तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ देखने की आदत है हर टाइम. और यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा कम लोग थे. Armenian house. First we were supposed to, you know, get a room here. But then we decided to go with the Armenian Heritage Hotel because we didn't get the room that we preferred here. Otherwise, this is also a very nice hotel to stay.
But it was having sharing basis
Sharing,
toilets.
yeah, it was having sharing washrooms. That's why we did not choose this. Otherwise, this is also a good thing, you know, good restaurant option, good hotel option. I'm sorry. There is a shop called Momo Kaka. If you're a Maharashtrian, you will know. Are you thirsty? This is why I was asking.
The shops.
Stationery store right in front. Yes.
This is
So of course I went inside the stationery store. It was so pretty, so beautiful. ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुबह थे, हम ज़्यादा कुछ लेकर नहीं आई थी तो मैंने अभी नहीं ख़रीदा. मैं शाम को आने वाली थी यहाँ पे से सामान खरीदने, पर यहाँ पे बहुत सारा सामान बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट था. हर टाइप की क्यूट चीज़ें आपको यहाँ पे देखने मिलेगी. स्टेशनरी लवर्स के लिए दिस वॉज अ स्टेशनरी हेवन. दिस वॉज right near our hotel itself, near one of the lanes, near the Umbrella Alley, I believe. So all the Armenian street lanes were near our hotel it's only. तो बहुत ज़्यादा पास था सब कुछ. So yeah, it was great. Very pretty, very pretty.
Thank you.
People come here to see the wall arts and wall murals, and this place doesn't disappoint. The wall murals are really, really beautiful. This is one of the most popular one. Bike पे जो है बच्चे लोग बैठे हैं. It is one of the most popular murals, and luckily we found it in the early morning itself when there were not many people. So we clicked a bunch of pictures, videos, and we had a lot of fun. Yep. So we walked a lot and I was thirsty and hungry. तो luckily we found a shop जो open था और हमें पानी का बॉटल मिल गया पीने को. Okay, 9 बजले. It's 9. 9 बज गए सुबह के. ठीक है, एक भी दुकान खुला नहीं है, कुछ भी खाने को नहीं है. मतलब अपने यहाँ पे तो कैसे पूरा खुल जाता है 9 बजे, यहाँ पे कुछ भी खुला नहीं है. हमको पानी का बॉटल मिल गया, थैंक गॉड. बट बाकी कुछ खुला नहीं है. बहुत भूख लगी है, हम लोग ऐसे ही चल रहे हैं. और चलते चलते हमको एक और क्यूट स्पॉट मिल गया फोटो खिंचाने के लिए। तो जैसे ही कोई भी क्यूट स्पॉट मिलता है तो फर्स्ट थिंग पीपल डू इज टेक आउट द कैमराज एंड क्लिक अ बंच ऑफ पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियोस। सो वी वर डूइंग द सेम। बहुत चलना पड़ा बट इट was fun. Son and dad barber shop. How cute is this? The stores at the Armenian street are also very very cute and pretty. So finally after all the walking, दुकान खुलने का टाइम हो गया. The vegetarian restaurant beside our hotel finally opened and we were here to have our breakfast. I'm having this and he's having dosas. Sitting in a park right now. It's very beautiful. हम लोग ऐसे कभी नहीं बैठते. Wait, I'll show you.
And this is very close to our hotel also.
Yeah, it is very close to our hotel. What a beautiful location we have chosen, bro. Armenian street भी इतना पास है. This is my favorite spot and this is my favorite part of the trip. Just sitting in the park and watching.
काहीतरी.
I think they are playing some game. See, they're doing something. Can you see? They're playing a game here. Are they college students? I think they're college students. Since there were a lot of time left for our check-in, so we again, after having our breakfast and sitting in the park, we went ahead to explore more streets and more picturesque spots. We're walking towards a stationery store that I've seen. P.66 बोलते हैं उसको. Let's see. So if you are a stationery lover, this is a very very popular stationery store here and it was worth the hype. पहले ये राइटर के नाम से स्टोर बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर था, आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे भी देखा होगा, बट अब इसका नाम चेंज होके P.66 हो गया. ये हमारे होटल से काफ़ी पास था और यहाँ पे सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट और बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव था. बट या मतलब पेनांग में पीपल आर जस्ट ऑब्सेस्ड विद स्टेशनरी एंड आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद स्टेशनरी, सो ऑफ कोर्स मुझे विजिट करना तो बनता है. Hi, so we're tired, so we're sitting for some time. थोड़ी देर के लिए बैठ गए हम लोग. बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है. I think it's around 11 AM only. हमको अभी तक हमारा चेक इन नहीं मिला है होटल में, so हम जितना एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं उतना एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. It's still day 1 and we're enjoying ourselves. As I told you, there are few spots and few eateries and few shops in KL बोल रही हूँ, Penang, which are very popular और उनके बाहर ऐसी लंबी लंबी लाइन लगती है. सून कैफे के लिए इतनी बड़ी लाइन लगी है मुझे. तो वो ओम का मिला है स्टोर, जहाँ पे ओम लिखा हुआ है, so we're just going in that direction. So it was a very old and very big ancient Indian temple built in the 1800s, I believe. It was a Radha Krishna temple and it was extremely peaceful and blissful and so beautiful. Our next stop was Penang Bazaar, which was a few steps ahead of the beautiful temple that we saw, and there were a lot of shopping lanes here. It was similar to the Bugis Street of Singapore, but this was much cheaper than Bugis Street. I bought a few items from here and Swapnil also got himself some things. ये पूरा शॉपिंग लेन ऐसे बार्गेन आप कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, और बैग्स एंड सोवेनियर्स ये सब आपको मिल जाएगा चीप रेट में. और थोड़ा आगे चलते ही आपको खाने पीने का सामान मिल जाएगा.
तुम लोग जब मलेशिया में आओगे तब डूरियन देखना, फिर उसको सूंघना, और अगर हिम्मत हुई तो खाना.
पीछे उसका फोटो लगा हुआ है भाई.
फिर तुम बोलो कि डूरियन पे तुमको क्या होता है और डूरियन देख के तुमको क्या होता है.
किसी किसी को पसंद भी आ सकता है और उसका स्मेल थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही होता है. मुझे तो पसंद नहीं भाई. Next we were headed to Pasar Chaurasta. It is again a very popular market. Pasar means market in Malay. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे clothes, books, shoes, सब चीज़ का shopping था, souvenirs. So very very similar to Pasar Penang, but yeah, good enough. So इतनी देर धूप में चलने के बाद we finally came back to the restaurant near our hotel and we ordered the vegetarian thali. And then finally हमारा check in हो गया and we came into our room. This is so here's a room tour for you guys. There was a bed, there was a sitting area with table and chair as in a work desk. There was a fridge, two windows with great views, tea, coffee area, and TV. Pretty basic. The bathroom was clean and nice, and we loved our room. It was basic, it was small, but it was comfortable. We highly recommend this hotel for the price. So this was our first video from our Penang series. Stay tuned for more and like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.